I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you also get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 15,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.